values that negate elitism, values that recognize lives of the poor, values that inextricably linked to our identity as Zimbabweans, values of Ubuntu, values of togetherness. Secondly, the dialogue and these conversations of hope can be based on commonalities. They can be based on commonalities. Yes, people can work together through identifying commonalities between different groups. This is less likely to lead to misuse of power. In this, we talk about things that already bind us. Commonalities functions at a deeper and broader level than statements of agreement. As Zimbabweans, we have many commonalities, well designed to foster unity amongst us and between us. For example, we are all Zimbabweans. That mere fact can be a common denominator for conversations of hope. If Ian Smith could speak to Mugabe and Joshua Ngoma, Emerson Mnangagwa can surely talk to Changirai, to Manzora, and many other people. We are all Zimbabweans. Secondly, we are all beneficiaries of the